Sweep picking, mastering the guitar technique. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a unique phrase from the world of music, sweep picking. This is not just a term for guitar enthusiasts but a great example of how specific English phrases can be deeply rooted in particular contexts. So, let's explore what sweep picking means and how it's used. Sweep picking is a term used specifically in the context of playing the guitar. It refers to a specialized technique where the guitarist sweeps the pick across the strings, usually in a fluid, quick motion. This technique allows for fast arpeggios to be played with precision and speed. It's a skill often associated with genres like metal and jazz. The term sweep picking can be broken down into two parts, sweep and picking. Sweep, in this context, means to move smoothly and quickly, similar to how one might use a broom. Picking refers to the act of plucking or strumming the guitar strings with a pick. Combined, these words create a vivid image of the guitar technique. To truly understand sweep picking, it's helpful to see it in action. Guitarists performing sweep picking often look like they are brushing the strings in a single, swift movement. This technique requires a lot of practice to master, as it demands precise coordination between the left and right hands. Interestingly, sweep picking is rarely used outside of the guitar playing context. It's a great example of how English phrases can be very specialized, catering to specific hobbies or professions. I hope this video has shed some light on the fascinating phrase sweep picking. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding the cultural and contextual nuances of phrases. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.